is the most difficult question, okay, because it is lots of words, okay. And now we go through it, the question. In 2020, that is this year, Bobby joins a plan, 15 years plan, okay. He put $10,000 into the bank account. After 15 years, he get a total $2.6 million. And then he will keep this money into the bank after 50 years. This is 2035. And then he is guaranteed to have 5% return each year. Okay. Part A asks, if Bobby draws 120,000 in the beginning of each year from his account after 15 years, that is, he draws from his amount in the beginning of each year, in the beginning. Okay, so at the end he will have returned, and then he will get this amount. You see that there's 4,000 more, 4,000 more after 1 year. Therefore, if he keeps drawing this amount, he will not draw all the money, because every year he has more than the original value at in the beginning of each year. So therefore, the plan is agreed. And then part B, instead of drawing 120,000 each year, he draws, in the next year, he draws 10% more. Okay, he draws 10% more. So ask you to find out 2036 and 2037. Okay, and then this amount is at the end of 2035, end of 2035, and then he draws amount which is 120,000 more 10%, and then the whole amount at the end of the year you get interest back, so you get this answer. Again, this answer minus 120,000, but here 1 plus 10% square, okay, and then this is the return, and then he get this one. This B1 and B2 guides you to do B3, okay. He keeps on doing this. In which year will he have no more money in his bank? Because you see the amount is decreasing, okay. One day he will draw all the money, and then we see that we keep on this pattern, okay, returned, okay, but that is, we try to understand this pattern, and then the rest are computation. Then we combine this, and then we find that this is the new common ratio. Okay, and then we employ the formula, okay, and then we simplify, we get this answer. He draws all the money, that is, it will become less than 0, okay. Therefore, doing this, he has to take log on both sides, and then he found out that n is greater than 15.23. That is, you take n equals to 16. 2035 plus 16, remember to minus 1, okay, that is 2050. Bobby will draw all the money from his account. That's all. This is quite difficult. Maybe you don't understand, you don't have time to do it. So for the last question, the performance is very poor.